Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on factorization of quadratic equations. I'll be glad you pause the video, take a look at the question before coming to see my detailed solution. Hi, welcome back. Our question wants us to simplify x squared minus 8x plus 16 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. Now, I'll take them one after the other because they are both quadratic equations. We need to factorize them and break them down a little bit. So that x squared now minus 8x plus 16 is x squared. If I want to factorize this, I'll be using the simple factorization method. So I'll pick my x squared and 16x. That becomes 16x squared. Please see our link below. Now, x squared minus 8x plus 16x, we'll be looking for the factors of 16x squared. What are the factors of 16x squared such that if I multiply them together, I'll get 16x squared, and when I sum them together, I'll get minus 8x. Now 2 and 8, that's 2x times 8x will give 16x squared. But this will actually, if you add them together, you get 10x, which won't work. Now let's look at 4. 4x and 4x. 4x times 4x will give 16x squared, but summing them together will give plus 8x. It won't work. Then I'm left with minus 4x and minus 4x. Minus times minus is plus, so 4x times 4x will give 16x squared, and minus 4x minus 4x will definitely give minus 8x. So I can equate this to x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. We can further simplify this. This will be x minus 4, picking the first two items. And here again, I'll be picking minus 4, x again, because I have plus 6 here and I have minus outside. This automatically becomes minus what? Minus 4. So that this is something as x minus 4 into x minus 4. So I can conveniently replace this with x minus 4 into x minus 4. Now let's break down x squared minus 7x plus 12 using the same factorization method. I will be picking 12 times x squared, that's 12x squared, and the factors of 12x squared that will conveniently replace minus 7x squared is minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Now, so that x now becomes a factor, I have x minus 3, then minus 4 again is a factor here, I have x minus 3. Then I can express this as x minus 3 into x minus 4. Now, so that this now is equals to, so I can now replace this equation with x minus 4 into x minus 4 over x minus 3 into x minus 4. X minus 4 cancels x minus 4. Then I'm finally left with x minus 4 over x minus 3. With this, I hope you further understand how to factorize quadratic equations. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.